In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image background on Wix Studio. So if you're ready to jazz up your website with some stunning visuals, let's dive right in. To start with, we're going to create a new section for our background. This is an important foundational step. Without it, there's nowhere to anchor our image. Think of your section as the canvas where your beautiful artwork is going to shine. Once you've got your section ready, there's a simple click ahead. Click right on the section you've crafted to highlight it. This is a crucial step because it lets Wix know which part of the page you're about to modify. Now, let's move our attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Inspector, a powerful tool for customizing elements on your page. Click on it, and you'll notice a Design section nestled within. Design is where the magic really happens. Within this, you're looking for the Media option. It's your gateway to personalizing your web page exactly how you envision it. Go ahead and click on Add Image or Video. Yes, you can add videos too, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're focusing on images. Now, you're presented with a choice. If you have a specific image in mind, maybe one you've used before, or something stored in your site files, you'll find it right here. It's a great way to bring that personal touch to your site, using images that reflect your brand perfectly. However, for this demonstration, I'm going to use a stock image from Wix Studio. Their library is filled with high-quality options that are ready to go, making the process even easier if you're in search of inspiration or don't have your own images at hand. Once your image is selected, let's move on to previewing your work. Click on Preview to see the changes you've made in real time. This step is like stepping back from your canvas and seeing it come to life in a more holistic view. It's invaluable for spotting anything you might want to tweak before finalizing your design. And there you have it. Your section now has a beautiful image as its background. This visual enhancement is just what you need to make your website stand out and engage visitors right from the start. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. With just these steps, you've added a vibrant design element to your site using Wix Studio. Keep exploring and don't be afraid to get creative with your design choices. That's all for today. Happy designing and see you next time.